The Amazon Great Indian Festival had its biggest ever opening this year, bringing much needed relief to small and medium-sized businesses. The economic slowdown caused by the COVID-19 pandemic earlier this year threatened the survival of these businesses. But now, online commerce has emerged as a big blessing. The Great Indian Festival has had its biggest participation from small and medium businesses, giving them the strongest ever start with record sales. With movement restricted during the pandemic, online buyers from non-metros are driving these numbers. Over 1.1 lakh sellers, 66% of them from non-metro cities, witnessing the strongest buying and record sales in the first 48 hours. Another popular segment in the Great Indian Festival has been apparel. Karigar sellers have received orders from over 15,000 pin codes. With festival season here, traditional saris have been the most sought after.
Myself, Atish Sawan, we have the brand name Kolhapuri. In 2009, we are into a business, and from last year, we have started this handicraft business by the name Nirvi Handicrafts Private Limited.
Myself, Mrs. Aparna Atish Sawan. Kolhapur is also called as Kala Nagari. Especially, we manufacture Kolhapuri chappals, Kolhapur traditional jewelry, then handmade baskets. We have terracotta handicrafts, and again we make Nawari saris, handmade fetas. These are our main categories.
Actually, we are into only offline business. So last year we got a call from Amazon Karigar team. So we started with the registration process, and in December we completed the registration process. Amazon Karigar team launched us in January 2020.
कोल्हापुरी चप्पल्स में मेजॉरिटी जो है वो मेन डोमिनेटेड जो पर्टिकुलर क्राफ्ट बोलते हैं वो था, लेकिन जब से हमने इसमें काम करना चालू किया है अभी यू कैन से 50-50%। जो लेडीज़ को पर्टिकुलर काम नहीं आता था वो भी अभी लेडीज़ कोल्हापुरी चप्पल्स में सीख गई है और काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से कर रही है। तो द मेन मोटो इज़ कि विमेन एम्पावरमेंट है, जिससे अभी आप देखोगे तो जो भी हमारे साथ कारीगर जुड़े हैं मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर विमेन।
We got pan-India coverage, and we have close to 5,000 to 6,000 products. So all the products have got a very good heritage value, and that's why Amazon's initiative of Amazon Karigar helped us a lot in making these products more having more weightage, and that actually helped us in sales boost as well as marketing. Talking about COVID or pandemic or lockdown situation, it actually doesn't impacted on our business, but talking about say raw material, yes. Since the lockdown 1 and 2 was very stringent, the raw material was totally seized. We are not able to procure the raw material since each and every raw material comes from out of the Maharashtra.
जैसे अभी कोविड सिचुएशन में जो सारे मतलब बहुत जगह लोग घर पे बैठे हुए थे जिनको काम नहीं था, लेकिन टचवुड हमारे सभी कारीगरों के पास काम था.
Amazon also helped us with the keto campaign and all in getting the grocery kit distribution. So it was a very good initiative by Amazon as well. Government's initiative Atmanirbhar, yes, we were Atmanirbhar from last 2 years. So that initiative actually means this type of pandemic situation, it again boosted our production capacity. E-commerce is the future, and every retail is trying to convert his offline store to an online store. The reason being, he is not only depend on that local market, and if you are online, yeah, you can have a global reach or pan-India reach. So that is the additional advantage of e-commerce.
एक ही साल हुआ है हमें ये रजिस्टर करके ब्रांड, तो पिछले साल से ये ग्रेट इंडिया फेस्टिवल में हमको 3 गुना सेल्स अच्छा हुआ है।
We are planning for a minimum 10% month-on-month sales for this year. First, I want to thank all the hands involved in this, majorly all those 400 artisans. Then again, those 400 artisan families, and one of the biggest families, Amazon, because it is due to which Amazon's Great India Festival we were able to produce, or we were able to do the mass production.
The Great Indian Festival started on the midnight of October 16 with prime early access and opened up for all customers on October 17. This year, the festival created many new milestones.
The festival season is the most awaited time of the year for customers as well as for businesses across the country. And this year, it has been all the more important for us. We've seen how lakhs of sellers from across the country have come together to present the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. The last few months have been unprecedented for all of us, especially for our sellers and small businesses. But it has also been inspiring to see their entrepreneurial spirit and resolve in these difficult times. Today, as part of this Amazon Sambhav India series, we brought you some inspiring stories of sellers and how they've added cheer to the festivities for customers across India, and how they've been able to grow their businesses post the recent challenges they faced. This Great Indian Festival saw many sellers making their first ever sale through e-commerce during this festive season. And at the same time, a large number of sellers who doubled or tripled their sales during this festive period. There are lakhs and lakhs of such stories of Amazon sellers serving customers. I would personally like to thank each and every seller on Amazon.in, our delivery partners across the country, and all others who've given their best to make this Amazon Great Indian Festival memorable for all our customers. And at the same time, I would also like to thank all our customers for making this festival season so successful for our sellers, our small businesses, and making a positive impact on their businesses and in their lives. With that, I would like to wish all of you a happy, prosperous, and safe Diwali.
In a difficult year full of setbacks, it's the spirit of these businesses that has shown us that there is a dawn after every dark night. Amidst the gloom and uncertainty of the pandemic, it is these businesses and delivery associates that have really spread smiles all around. It's their never say die spirit that we need to celebrate this festival season.